I'm Charlotte with the Investing News Network, and here today with me is Priscilla, our battery metals reporter. We're here to talk to you about what happened in the battery metals space during the month of July. Priscilla, let's start by talking about cobalt. It's a very important battery metal right now. What did we see last month?
Yes, we definitely had some news in the cobalt sector, starting with top cobalt producer Glencore, which released its production results this week. Glencore received a subpoena from the U.S. Department of Justice, which the company is still reviewing. Speaking about the DRC, where most of the cobalt is mined, we heard from the S&P Global Market Intelligence releasing a report saying that big cobalt is not on the horizon and that the DRC can continue to produce at the current rate for over 30 years. Finally, the discussion about nickel content in lithium-ion batteries increasing continue this month. And analysts say that despite that, we will see cobalt demand increase in the next few years.
Lithium is, of course, another important battery metal. What did we see for lithium last month?
We definitely had several news from different companies around the world, starting with Nemaska Lithium, which signed a deal with LG Chem to provide battery-grade lithium hydroxide. We also heard from Piedmont Lithium, which released a scoping study for its core project and finally chose a site for its chemical plant. Looking over to Australia, Pilbara Minerals produced its first coarse concentrate at its Pilgangoora project. Altura Mining produced its first concentrate at its Western Australia project. And finally, in the same region, Talison's board approved an expansion for its Greenbushes project.
Can you tell me what the major lithium producers were up to last month?
Yeah, top producers also had some news last month, starting with SQM, which is seeking government approval for a 450 million lithium plant expansion. At SQM, we also saw some top management changes. Its CEO resigned for personal reasons, and another top lithium producer, Albemarle, surprised the market when its lithium president resigned to move over to a cobalt miner in Chile. We also heard that FMC will be rebranding its lithium business and call it Livent Corporation. Finally, the last lithium news last month came from the LME, which will be launching a contract next year, and it says is getting closer to doing so.
Okay, before I let you go, let's take you back to the end of June. This is not quite a July event. You attended a Lithium Conference in Las Vegas. How did that go?
Yeah, we had the chance to go to the Lithium Supply and Markets Conference in Las Vegas last month, and actually in the month of June. And we got the chance to talk to experts, analysts, and CEOs from companies including Cobalt 27 and Pilbara Minerals. All the interviews are up on our YouTube channel, so you can watch them there.
Okay, well, thanks so much, Priscilla, for the update. We will leave it there for July. Once again, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Priscilla with the Investing News Network.
Check back with us next month where we recap the month of August. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook at Resource Investing News, on Twitter at INN_resource, and on LinkedIn at Investing News Network. See you next month.